Hey guys, welcome. This is Bharat Surendran, and in this video what I'm going to talk about challenges that you face when it comes to skill development. Now, if you take skill development across the world, whether it is going to be America or Europe or Australia or Asia, you will see that skill development has its own challenges across the world. If you have stayed in a corporate for quite some time, let's say 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, you will notice a trend that is predominant. I would say mainly because of the American model, right? What exactly is happening is everybody wants in an organization, when they recruit, they actually want a ready-made talent or a plug and play model. Now, they don't want the apprenticeship to really happen. What do you mean by apprenticeship? Apprenticeship is a period where you put a raw talent and then you mold them and you create skill development. You create skills, and that is something, a commitment that an organization has to do. That is number one. Number two is the person who is actually coming on board should actually have the commitment to actually go through the process. But unfortunately, in today's reality, everybody is looking out for fast results and quick results, and they are looking at numbers. So moment somebody comes on board, the first month, second month, third month, immediately they are supposed to create numbers, which is of course not possible. In reality, if you can you do that? Yes, it is. No, it is not possible. So the skill development has to happen. Then you cannot actually go for a ready-made talent, but actually have to put raw people into apprenticeship where they get trained. But unfortunately, we don't have such kind of phenomena because corporates are not ready to spend money on actually creating talent. So what exactly happens is they are looking out for raw talents, and raw talents are mostly not available. That is one. And there is a trend. The American trend is that they always want the results to happen. They always want the high. When the high means they want every time they want to actually produce result, and then after that they actually want to see another high, another high, another high. But when it comes to skill development, it will never happen, because once a person actually goes through a journey, there is actually a plateau. The plateau is attained once any skill for you take, if it have that matter, if you take the plateau attained, there might not be results which are produced. So it will take quite some time, whether it is going to be selling skills, or whether it is going to be programming skills, or whether it is going to be managerial skills. There is a plateau which is attained, and from that plateau, if you have to go to the next level of learning or next level of results, then you have to actually push through, and it takes quite some time. It is a bigger challenge that we actually have. That is one challenge that we have, that most of them are not ready for that. They want high after high after high. And because of this, what exactly happens? People get depressed, and people actually quit their jobs, or the company actually fires employees, and many of them fall into depression. Many of them have to take medications. It also happens people actually get into habits like drinking and smoking and so many other things, which will actually lead them overeating. All these things happen to an individual. And how to actually go about doing this, addressing this? The Bhagavad Gita always says that you should never look at the results, but you should actually take the journey. And that's the same approach to skill development, same approach to work. But unfortunately, we do not have that culture, and we have actually brought the American model into place. Now, what is the solution? Now, if you ask me what is the solution is so simple. We have to actually understand that we have to start this apprenticeship model very early in our lives, maybe from our school, from our college days, and create a kind of a ecosystem where the apprenticeship is done, so that we are ready. And once we go to the workplace, we can actually confront most of the challenges ahead. And workplace also, companies has to spend money on training them, mentoring them, and most important thing, the kind of mentors that you're going to have. Today the country's future is in the hands of the trainers, I mean mentors I'm talking about. So it is very very important. The quality of mentors determine the kind of talent that we're going to create. So I ask these two people. One is the fresher out there to be ready for apprenticeship and have lesser expectation and take a journey where you would actually go through the journey of skill development. And number two is the people who are experienced and people who are mentors and gurus, and those people have to do their job. I think these are the two things that we have to address when it comes to skill development in India. So with this thought, I'm just signing off. This is Bharat Surendran. See you all in another video. Catch you soon. Bye. Thank you.